It's everything. It's everything. What it's meant to be will be.
Alright, so we're just gonna jump right in. So as you guys can see, my hair is pretty stretched out. I just had it in some cornrows or whatever. So yes, I took them out and this is how my hair turned out. I'll link a tutorial on how to stretch out your natural hair without heat. And this is the gel I'll be using, the Ampro Pro Style, the brown gel. This gel is really good for like puffs and ponytails and things like that because it has a lot of hold. So I'm just going to use that, and if it flakes, it's really disguised. And I'm just going to brush my hair up into a high ponytail like so. Just want to note that you do not have to use gel. If your hair is longer than mine, you can get away with, you know, without using it. But I have to use it because my hair is shorter and it will fall down and it will be a big frizzy mess, and that's what I don't want, because I could do it without gel, but I'm trying to get that sleek look, you know what I'm saying? But don't do your ponytail too tight. And then I'm just going to use some Pump It Up, Pump It Up. This is a throwback, Pump It Up Spritz. I used to use this growing up. And I'm just going to spray that on top of the gel to help with my hair getting frizzy and things like that. Because my hair tends to get really frizzy and it doesn't like to stay up. Like taking me back to my childhood. Comment down below if you used to use Pump It Up Spritz on your hair. I would love to know. So yeah, I'm just smoothing my hair up a little bit more, and then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and pull out my curly cues on the side because I haven't been wearing them, and I'm bringing them back out this summer, honey. And then I'm just going to use my silk scarf to tie my hair down, and that's that. And I will see you all in the morning. So now it's the next day. This is the hair that I'll be using. I found it at my local beauty supply store. You can use whatever kind of connector line hair you want. I chose to go with this black and white color. I thought it was going to be looking really bomb, you know, look like Storm or whatever. So yeah, I'm just looping my hair tied through the ponytail. You guys have seen me do that a million times. And I'm just going to take some Eco Styler gel on my curly cues and get them popping. And as you guys can see, that spritz and that gel got my hair laid. Like, look how sleek it looks. It looks so good. It's time to attach our hair. I'm just going to use the hair tie that I attached to the hair to loop it onto my little bun. But you can actually use the rubber band that it comes with. I just chose not to. And I'm standing up so I can show you guys. But I just use a wide tooth comb to kind of detangle the hair a bit, because sometimes this hair can get tangly. And then I'm just going to do a jumbo braid. Now, what you want to do is you don't want to braid your braid too tight, because if you braid it too tight, you're not going to be able to flip your bun over, like you're braiding hair over your bun. It won't cover it properly. So do it tight enough for it to stay, but not so tight where you can't pull it apart. To secure the braid, I'm just going to take a rubber band and put it at the very end. So what I'm going to do next is flip my braid over my bun, and then I'm going to pull it apart so that the top of the braid can go over the bun. So just make sure you braid your braid on whichever side that you don't want your braid to be on, because when you flip it over, it'll be on the side you want it on, if that makes sense. This is why it's important not to braid your braid super tight. And as you guys can see, my bun is completely covered, and I'm just going to take some bobby pins and pin it into place. You don't need too many because the braid stays in place pretty well. You're basically just pinning the top part. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray some oil sheen on my hair, because gel can make your hair really dull. But this is the hairstyle from all angles. It looks so cute. I really love it. It's like the perfect style for summer. This style can last you up to a week if you just take care of it, tie it up at night. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.